Good morning from Canmore, Alberta. So this is my hotel, the Rundle Mountain Lodge, where I stayed last night. Just the one night. I'm gonna find different accommodations for this evening. But I'm gonna head towards the British Columbia border and hopefully get as far as Radium Hot Springs to have a soak in the mineral pools and then make my way back towards home. So just a short little jaunt here into the mountains to enjoy a bit of summer. Long weekend, took a couple personal days at work, so I was able to get away for a little bit here and enjoy some of the mountain sights here. So drones are completely banned in all Canadian national parks, so I'm not even able to get any drone footage in Banff or Radium or anywhere else that's inside national park territory, which is a huge amount of territory in this part of Canada. So Canmore is right on the border basically of Banff National Park. So if I drive any further up the highway here, I'm not able to fly the drone. So I've got permission here from the Alberta Visitor Information Center to use their parking lot to launch the drone and at least get some good views of these two ranges of the Rocky Mountains and the town of Canmore from above. All right, I've made it over here to Castle Mountain, which is inside of Banff National Park, roughly halfway between Banff and Lake Louise. I'm actually at the junction now of Highway 93, which heads south into British Columbia to Radium Hot Springs. That's my ultimate destination today. But you can see why it's named Castle Mountain. Castle-like shape of all the granite peaks there. Very beautiful mountain. All right, I have made it here to the British Columbia-Alberta border. So this is Highway 93. I guess it's becoming British Columbia Highway 93, just ahead of me here. But you can see right here, beautiful mountain, and I am entering Kootenay National Park. So this is one of the 5 Rocky Mountain National Parks here in Canada, which include Banff, Jasper, Yoho, Kootenay, and Waterton Glacier International Peace Park. But a beautiful day here. Excellent weather. It's about 22 degrees. I still have about an hour or so to go before I get to Radium Hot Springs, which is the highlight of Kootenay National Park. But yeah, absolutely busy on this road, which is usually a dead road. However, Highway 1, the Trans-Canada Highway, is actually closed right now due to construction. So they are detouring all the traffic through here. In any case, entering British Columbia, 1 hour to go, down Highway 93 towards Radium Hot Springs. All right, I'm arriving at Radium Hot Springs.